Do you find it hard to save money? Well, you're not alone. Many of us grapple with saving money because of certain habits ingrained over time. Today we're going to explore 5 of these habits that might be making your piggy bank feel rather light. These habits range from impulse buying to neglecting small expenses, not budgeting, paying only the minimum on credit cards, and not investing. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first bad money habit that could be keeping you from saving money. First up on the list is impulse buying. Ever walk into a store for one thing and end up leaving with 5? That's impulse buying. It's a habit that can sneak up on you, draining your bank account before you even realize what's happening. Impulse buying happens when you make a purchase without planning or thinking it through. We've all been there, haven't we? That shiny new gadget, that pair of shoes on sale, that delicious-looking dessert, they all seem irresistible in the moment. But these unplanned purchases can add up quickly, eating into your savings. So, how can you control this? Start by making a shopping list and sticking to it. Limit the amount of time you spend in stores or online shopping sites, and most importantly, learn to differentiate between needs and wants. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned, so next time you're tempted to make an unplanned purchase, think twice. Moving on to the second bad money habit, not budgeting. Do you know where your money goes every month? If not, you're likely not budgeting. Budgeting is a vital tool in managing your finances and saving money. Without it, your money can easily slip through your fingers like sand in a sieve. Think of budgeting as a financial compass. It guides you to make wise decisions with your money, ensuring you're spending less than you earn. It also helps you set aside funds for saving and investing. So, how do you start budgeting effectively? Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify your needs versus your wants. Prioritize saving and set realistic financial goals. Use budgeting tools or apps, they can be a great help. Mistakes will happen, and that's okay. What's important is that you learn from them and adjust your budget accordingly. Remember, a budget is your financial roadmap. It helps you navigate your money journey with ease. Third on our list is paying only the minimum on your credit cards. This might seem like a good idea in the short term, but it's detrimental in the long run. Let's dive in. When you only pay the minimum, the remaining balance continues to accrue interest. Over time, this interest compounds, and you might end up paying significantly more than the original amount you borrowed. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing larger with every roll. Now imagine redirecting some of the money you've been saving by avoiding impulse buys and by budgeting towards your credit card debt. You could cut down the interest you're paying and ultimately free up more money for your savings. Think of it as an investment in your future financial freedom. In essence, the more you pay off now, the less you'll owe in the long run. So aim to pay more than the minimum on your credit cards whenever possible. Fourth on our list is ignoring small expenses. Those daily coffees and lunches out can quickly add up. We often dismiss these costs thinking, oh, it's just a few bucks. But let's put it into perspective. Say you spend $5 a day on coffee. Over a month, that's around $150. In a year, it's a staggering $1,800. That's a nice chunk of change that could be going into your savings. So, how do you combat this? Start by keeping track of your small expenses. There are plenty of apps that can help with this. The goal is to be aware of where your money is going, and then make deliberate decisions about what is truly worth the cost. Remember, every penny counts when it comes to saving money. Last but not least, not investing. If you're not investing your money, you're missing out on potential growth. You see, when you invest, you're essentially putting your money to work for you. It's like planting a seed today to reap the fruit tomorrow. Whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, the goal is to generate a return on your money over time. For beginners, it's wise to start slow. Consider low-risk investments like index funds or bonds, or you could even try a robo-advisor to help guide you. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So start investing today and let your money work for you. So, there you have it. 5 bad money habits that could be hurting your savings. Let's recap. Impulse buying, not budgeting, paying only the minimum on credit cards, ignoring small expenses, and not investing. Breaking these habits is key to successful saving. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with good money habits. Thanks for watching.